As promised, an outdoor video with the RC Era C189 in this new US Army scheme. I covered in the last video how to assemble it. It's a little bit tricky, need very small fingers, and I don't. So a little bit of care needed to assemble the rocket launchers, machine guns, and put the landing gear on it, and put the stickers on it as well. But I've done that, so I want to show today, no wind today, which is unheard of. Isn't it, Trev?
Yeah, especially down here.
Ridiculous. We're on top of the hill. Normally get a lot of wind, but it is absolutely dead calm, more or less. Little, maybe a minor breeze, but perfect, I would say, for heli flying. So let's get it in the air. Let's see how it flies outdoors with the different speed modes. Because last time I flew it, I was on the low speed mode because I was in the new extension in my house. And doesn't need anything inside, doesn't need the high speed modes. So here we go. So low speed mode currently. Now, just to clarify, this does not have an optical flow sensor as far as I know. I looked underneath and I don't think it has one, but I think you could get one and plug it into the board. But it uses barometric pressure sensing for holding altitude. Now, middle, so on low, that's the speed on low. Not very speedy, bring it back a little bit. Mid mode, oh, quite a bit more. And there is a little bit of a breeze now. So high speed mode now on that 3-position switch. That's not bad. Now the other thing with these type helis, stabilised helis, they do turn quite flat. So I'm using the right stick to bank it over fully. And that is banking a bit. Gives it more of a scale look. Not bad. Not bad at all. You can hear the tail rotor working overtime to keep it stable. So the great thing about these is it's not collective pitch, it will not roll inverted, it's just like flying just like a drone, really. Now you have got auto takeoff, auto land. I prefer to do it manually. Ow. Edit that bit out.
Down, it drifted, didn't it?
Edit that bit out. It's ground effects, I think.
Yeah.
Kind of have to pick your moment. Hold the throttle stick down and it'll switch off automatically. So there you go. I think these things have improved because in the past the turns are quite flat and they don't really bank over like that. But this one was doing that, maybe 20 degrees. So it's a lot more scale than they have been in the past. So there you go. It's the C189 from RC Era in the new scheme from our friends at Razordon. Look it up for the price, but it's a good bit of fun, even outdoors in a little bit of a breeze now. It's probably, if we had the windsock up, it would probably show 10-15 miles an hour. It kind of changes minute by minute. But anyway, thanks as always to my mate Trevor for coming out and filming. He's got to go
That's
home
all right.
and walk the dog now.
Yeah, go warm my hands up.
And yeah, and warm his hands up because it is cold on the hands. But we'll be back soon on Essential RC. Remember to go and have a look at Flying Fin RC. Always like to give them a plug because Trevor and his young Finn there, they do work very hard on their page as well. So go and follow them on their YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Job done. Thank you very much.